Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of React Native. So in the previous video, we are using the GIF SDK. So meanwhile, we are going to continue with that one. So today we are going to fetch the trending GIFs in our React Native app. So let's have a look how it looks. So here we go with this one. You can see that trending, all of the trending data of the GIFs are showing over here. These all are in trending, right? So you can see that. So all how to fetch such a trending gifs in React Native app. Let's have a look on that. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on it. So let's get started. So it's very easy and very simple. Let me show you the code. So this is the same one: GIPHY SDK, GIPHY grid view, GIPHY content view, and the API key you need to add. Okay, GIPHY SDK configure the API. After that, we have a default function app safe area. Here we have a content section. We have to bypass trending GIFs. Cell padding 3, style height 400. You can make it like 800, like 800 also. And you can see that now. What's the look? Now it's on the full one. Like you can see that the full GIFs are loading with the full fledged, right? The trending one. So I have changed the height one, and the on media select console.log which media you are selecting. Okay, so here we go with that part. So whatever we can select the media, you can here you can check it out that what media I have selected. Let me put a space over here, and I have clicked on the sweet dream. So you can see that all the data of the sweet dreams GIF is coming over here. Okay, this is the URL, right? So this is how we are going to fetch all the trending GIFs in our React Native app with the help of the GIPHY SDK in React Native. So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.